g of x is cosine of 2x. So sine of 2x over 2, negative cosine of 2x over 4, and negative sine 2x over 8. Derivative sine is cosine times 2. Derivative cosine is negative sine. 2. Derivative sine is cosine times 2. Yeah, it looks good. All right. Equals negative, missed it. No negative. So looking at that one. X to the third sine 2x over 2 plus 3x squared cosine 2x over 4 plus negative 6x sine of 2x over 8 plus c. Just realized I need to go another one. 0, negative. And this would be cosine of 2x over 16, because I didn't get down to 0. Oops. So forget that. No, forget that. I will have to reduce some things here. And the last one is minus 6 cosine of 2x over 16, 8, 3. So equals x to the third sine of 2x over 2 plus 3x squared cosine of 2x over 4 minus 3x sine of 2x over 4 minus 3 cosine of 2x over 8 plus c. And now I definitely have a headache. All right. So I'm going to do this. Oh, this ought to be fun. F of x and derivatives. G of x and integrals. X squared 2x to 0. Sine of 2x, negative cosine 2x over 2. Negative sine 2x over 4. Cosine of 2x over 8. Negative cosine, sine, right, sine, right. Okay. All right, so equals bracket because, well, we'll see why. Negative x squared cosine of 2x over 2. I'm going to cancel a 2 and a 2 here and get positive x sine of 2x over 2. Going to cancel a 2 and a 2 plus cosine of 2x over 4. 0 to pi over 2. Oof, make sure we didn't screw anything up. That looks good so far. Equals. Now, I normally write all this out, but I got to start shortcutting things. Cosine of 2 times pi over 2 is cosine of pi. That's -1. So pi over 2 squared over 2. Sine of pi is 0 plus 0 plus -1 over 4. Minus 0, 0, something. 0 plus 0 plus cosine of 0, 1/4. Equals, that's plus plus, that's why I did that, oops. Pi squared over 8. -1/4 minus 1/4 is -2/4 minus 1/2. I'm going to stop there. I was actually going to go with the common denominator, but let's see what I get on the calculator. Sorry about that. Equals yes, it's crazy. I could have done that easier. 0.734, 0.734. Math 9, 0. Guess I'm in radians. I can't quite see it there. 0 to pi over 2. That's a little better. X squared sine 2x back to x. Wow, accurate all the way out. That's a little surprising. 0.734 either way. That's pretty slick, I'm not gonna lie. Okay. Deep breath, deep breath, deep breath. Is this one of those ones where I have to subtract things over? Yes, it is, because none of them are ever going to delete. So this is going to be fun. I'm going to leave all these limits off until I'm done. U equals e to the -2x. Du equals -2 e to the -2x. Dx. dv equals sine of 2x dx. V equals negative cosine of 2x over 2 equals negative e to the -2x cosine of 2x over 2 minus negative bad. Negative cancel. Bad, that was weird. I am going to bring it inside. -2, it's going to cancel. E to the -2x cosine of 2x over 2 cancel dx. Okay. U equals negative e to the -2x. Du equals 2e to the 2x dx. dv equals cosine of 2x dx. V equals sine of 2x over 2. Again, I'm off screen. Apologies. Don't forget this first part is still here. Negative e to the negative 2x cosine integral e to the negative 2x sine of 2x dx equals negative e to the negative 2x cosine 2x over 2 minus plus e to the negative 2x sine of 2x over 2 minus, there's nothing else here, minus integral, 2's will cancel, e to the negative 2x sine of 2x dx. Add this to both sides. 2 integral e to the negative 2x sine of 2x dx equals negative e to the negative 2x cosine of 2x over 2 plus e to the negative 2x over 2 sine of 2x divided by 2 divided by 2. I want to simplify a little bit before I get crazy with this. I can pull out an e to the negative 2x, and I'm going to write it sine of 2x minus cosine of 2x because my brain's wired that way. And now I can put in my limits. So let's go ahead with negative 3 to 2, negative 3 to 2. Here we go. E to the negative 2x over 2 sine of 2x minus cosine of 2x, negative 3 to 2. I can leave this out. No, I can't. Equals e to the negative 4th over 2 sine of 4 minus cosine of 4 minus e to the 6th over 2 sine of negative 6 minus cosine of negative 6. Just drew on my table. Nice. And I'm not even on screen anymore. Apologies again. Whew. Equals wow, that's a lot. Who makes these problems? I'm a little bit off. Let me see here. I feel like I lost a negative up here. Yeah, there it is. See if I can't somehow mash this back together. That's now a plus. It's negative, negative, so I can just change this to a plus. Got my 1/2. Divided by 2. Well, let's find out if I'm right. 9, 3 to 2. That was brutal. But hey, at least I got there. Notice how many mistakes I made. Something not as bad. Hallelujah. Maybe. Y equals the integral x squared ln of x dx. U equals ln of x, because I remember that. Du equals 1 over x dx. dv equals x squared dx. d equals x to the third over 3. Y equals x to the third ln of x minus integral of x squared over 3 dx. Y equals x to the third ln of x over 3 minus x to the third over 9. Let's see. Good luck. Jeez, I was afraid there was another page. And happy mathing.